वेल पडून 10-12 दीस जाले. आमी पयलीं फॉरेस्टाक कळयलें. मागीर फॉरेस्टाचो एक मनीस येयलो, म्हणपाक लागलो आपूण सराक फोटो धाडटाय. 2 दिसांनी मागीर तेंची फॉरेस्टाची गाडी येयली, 4 लेबर आनी एक तेंचो कितें गार्ड म्हणटाले आनी एक ड्रायव्हर. ते येयले, चयले, गेले. ते म्हणपाक लागले आपणा कडेन पुरोवपा जावपाना. मागीर परत आमी हेड ऑफिसान फोन केलो मडगांव. तेन्ना फॉरेस्टाची परतून गाडी येयली आनी तेन्ना 15-16 लोक घेवन येयलेले ते. तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी कांय करुना आनी नेवीन सांगलेलें आपूण तांकां हेल्प करता, कितें मशिनरी कितें घालून आनी आपणाचो स्टाफ जाल्यार वचून दिता म्हणलो तांकां. हे पेपराचेर येयलेले आनी आतां नेवी कांय एक्शनूय घेयना आनी फॉरेस्टूय कांय एक्शन घेयना आनी ताका आतां वास पडपाक लागला. तो वास पडपाक लागला, थिंगा सगळे घोणी जावं शेवणी, ताका कावडे बावडे सगळे चचायता. आतां कित्याक आतां घोणी फ्लायटाक लागून त्रास जातलो तांकां. सगळे उठतले, सगळे पत्तून येवन बसतले, मास्क काडटले तेजे. आतां आमी कितें एअरपोर्टाक लेटर केले, मागीर फॉरेस्टाक परत फोन करता, नेवीक लेटर केला, आतां कांय एक्शनूच घेयना. सो ती धाकटी कांय वेल न्हू. गेटीर फॉरेस्टाचे येयले, गेटीर तांकां 10-15 मिनटां दवरता. ते भितर फोन करता. मागीर फोन केले म्हणटकीर मागीर ते म्हणटा स्कॉट करपाक कोण येयला. आतां फॉरेस्टाचे 2-3 फावटी येवन गेले. म्हणल्यार ते हातीन कांय जावपाना, ताका मशिनरी जाय, एक क्रेन जाय, कितें तरी जाय. ना नेवीन आतां सगळे नेवीन आनी फॉरेस्टान एक जावन ती वेल क्लीन करपाची. नाजाल्यार कितें फाल्यां फ्लायट येताय वयताय थिंगसान, एक घोण जावं कितें एक शेवणें लागले जाल्यार फ्लायट क्रॅश जातलो आनी मागीर पब्लिकाकूय त्रास. फ्लायटान आतां लोक वास पडटा थिंगा आनी कितें फाल्यां दुयेंस कसलें येता तें सांगपाक जायना, इतलो वास येता.
Now this matter, as I understand, is almost past 2 weeks. Okay, as we've been following up, the situation is so that for almost about a week, nobody was concerned about having a visit and seeing what is the situation on the ground. Okay, whereas once I just went around with my friend, who is Mario Dorado. Okay, now along with him, there were about 4 officials from the forest department. Okay, now their thing was that okay, it's going to just rot away for a while and probably go through the water. But then they didn't make any sort of an attempt for a burial of the same. Okay, and I understand the right way of disposing it off would be the burial of it. Okay, so now what they tried to do just about 2-3 days back was, I think they were just trying to hold on a barbecue feast for Vasco cars. Okay, wherein they just tried to burn the whale. Okay, and that was a lame attempt that was done by them. Okay, they just tried to do it with some coconut leaves, dried coconut leaves, and they were unsuccessful in doing so. Okay, and as I have seen this place for a while now, it's been rotting and there's been stinking smell coming. Okay, and in the future I foresee some kind of birds, okay, and some bird hit, as the airport area is just close by, okay, happening soon. So I think the necessary steps needs to be taken. And they had given an assurance, the Navy in fact had given an assurance saying that they will coordinate with the forest department and would look into the matter. But however, the Navy has not even, okay, permitted the entry for them in the area, okay, for which they had to wait almost about an hour. The forest officials had to wait almost about an hour on the Navy gate, and the Navy was not bothered about it. Okay, so I think this should be tackled as soon as possible before any kind of an untoward incident